Araveer had a sip of beer. And we are ready to go. I am mixing prints today. Floral, zigzag, solid black. Wearing my denims, wearing my husband's sport shoes. I really need to buy some good sport shoes. Anyways, I'm also wearing the earrings that I really love. I love these. I've had these for since years and years, and I'm absolutely in love with this. So anyways, we are off to Chennai today. We're just leaving the house. The car is waiting downstairs. Our bags are all packed. I cannot wait to go. We are at the airport. The flight is on time. It's really foggy today, so surprisingly the flight is on time. I haven't been to the Delhi airport. The last time I was there was when we were on a flight to Goa, but we reached just in time, so we didn't really explore the airport as such. But today we're kind of roaming around, and I'm impressed. There are laptop stations here, which is brilliant. One there when I was a very frequent flyer when I was in college, because I was going back and forth all the time from Bombay to Delhi. So back in that time there weren't laptop stations here, so I think this is like newish in sense that in the last 4 years this has happened, if that can be called new. Anyways, just waiting for a flight, getting a cup of coffee. That is what's happening. We have just reached Chennai, and I love this horse unicorn thingy. I don't know what it is in the Chennai airport, but this thingy. Araveer, ये क्या है? ये क्या है? How cool is that? Look at how cool this is, and the work. I think it's all copper. The weather is amazing here. It's really hot. I can't wait to take this jacket off right now. Araveer is loving all the trees at the airport, pointing at them and telling me that they are trees. Thank you for the information. Yes. So that is what we're doing. We're just walking to the taxi. Then we'll go to the place where we're staying. And then we'll go and do touristy stuff. We are having our brunch at one of the Savna Bhavans. There are a lot. On our way from the airport to here, we've already seen like 5 of them. Araveer is of course deciding what he wants to have. We found a very weird thing in the Savna Bhavan. We have a Savna Bhavan in Delhi, but we don't have this thing there. This is a steamed something. Do you know what it is? If you're from Chennai and you know what that is for, comment that down below. That looks yummy. Dosa? Just had South Indian in South India right now, and I love the dosa. I love the idli. It's really soft. It melts in your mouth, and it's not like that in North India. The chutneys, however, are really spicy. The red chutney that we have in North India is sweet, but the one that we found here is very spicy. And I have also ordered a mini lunch, a quick lunch. Okay, I'm going to try this one. I thought it's mirch ki sabzi, but my mother-in-law says it's beans ki sabzi, which is obviously. Not sure that's my favorite. I'm going to try this. Don't know what that is. ये mix सब्जियों की दाल that's the dal, which is good. And then this one, which looks like mixed veg. I really like this one. I like the mixed veg type of sabji that it is. It's not focusing. That was really nice. How cool is this? This is Imarti, and in North India we only have like one flavor. Why are you not focusing? This is cocoa flavored, mango flavored, strawberry flavored and saffron flavored. In Delhi we only have saffron flavored. How cool is this? We're having some filter coffee. कैसी है? कैसी है? The coffee was beyond amazing, better than any Starbucks and Costa I've ever had, and ooh, like I don't know how to explain it, but the coffee was really nice. It felt like really fresh coffee, and I've never actually had anything like that. I've had filter coffee before. We've had filter coffee, but nothing like that. This was Saravana Bhavan. What is this area called?
Ashok Pillar.
Huh?
Ashok Pillar.
Ashok? Pillar.
Yeah.
In Ashok Pillar, and it was really nice. Alright, let's taste these Imartis.
पिछली तरफ कर दो, पिछली तरफ.
It's normal here.
कटी गई.
Normal, little dry. In the north, it's way more juicier. ये स्ट्रॉबेरी है ना?
स्ट्रॉबेरी बहुत टेस्टी.
Strawberry. It's really nice. It tastes a little bit like strawberry jam in it. I know. Not a very strong jam with strawberry flavor, but looks like a little bit jam.
मैंगो कौन सी है? ये मैंगो है.
ये?
इसमें मैंगो जैम होगी.
तोड़ लो. Mango jam. पर अच्छी है मैंगो. मैंगो नहीं, जैम की जगह वैसे लग रही फ्रूटी है. पर फ्रूटी लग रही है मेरे को. It has a fruity like taste basically. And then this one which is choco. There's a chocolate syrup in it. Hi. बहुत अच्छी है. We took a little bit of rest where we are staying, and now we are at the Marina Beach, which my husband tells me is the longest beach in Asia, which is amazing. It actually is really huge. It's gigantic. I'll show you guys in a minute. We're just walking towards the sea. It's a really long walk, so that's what we're doing. We haven't got our beach wear. We're not planning to go in the sea. The best thing is that the weather is so awesome right now. It was really hot in the afternoon, but right now the weather is amazing. Look at how amazing that tree is. It's gigantic. We're just leaving the Marina Beach. It's a long walk back. we just visited the Kapaleshwar temple. It was really beautiful. There was some confusion because of which I couldn't take my camera, so I couldn't really show you guys the temple. But I do have pictures clicked in my phone, which I'll try to insert here. The temple itself was really beautiful. Even if I would have taken you guys, I wouldn't have been able to shoot inside the main area where the deity is kept. But when you enter, I'll try to describe it as best as possible. When you enter, there's a very lovely smell of sandalwood and something else. Or maybe it's pure sandalwood, I don't know. But I felt it was sandalwood and something else as well. And then you go in, and then the whole atmosphere is very nice. It's very positive. Like, there's some temples you visit and it's like you're visiting any other place, but then there's some temples you visit and you get a good vibe, a good nice embracing warmth, and that is what I felt in the temple, which I think is brilliant. I love temples like these where you feel the vibe of the temple and not just that you're just visiting a place. So that, it was really beautiful, that's for sure. Also, there were two types of tilaks. I don't know if you can see it. One was the red one and one was ash, I think. Oh, ash hogi na, Babiji. And the second one was ash from the Shivling. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, so I'm going to end it right now. The highlights of yesterday was that Arivir had a sip of beer. Okay, in reality, we went to this restaurant called Bombay Halwa, where they call Chach as beer. Yeah, so that is what's happened. Anyways, we're on the second day. We're on the way to Mahabalipuram, and yeah, that is what is happening. If you want to know what is going to happen today, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give this a big thumbs up and comment down below if you've ever like for us it was a shock to hear that Chach is called beer in that restaurant. So if you've ever had like a shocking word that you use it differently, but you found out it's also something else in a different language, comment that down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.